students for class 7th. I hope all of you enjoying the test, WE monthly test, and I hope you are stay at your home safely. For this I have given an online test option. This is first chance to my life to give this type of activity, and today I will discuss all the options of the test. What is the correct answer, what type of mistake you are already done in this test. So first I will open the class 7 test link. You see the link, and I am opening this work experience online test class 7 2020. Here red means the required field. Before this one, all of you read carefully all the instructions. All responses should be capital oblique block letter like A, B, C, D. Work experience online test for class 7th April 2020. Test date is 27th 4 2020, and time slot for the test 2 p.m. to 8 p.m. You should attempt all questions. Okay. Before starting the test, I have already added one video. I am already circulated all of you how to complete your test. In this video, I am discussing all the options, types of questions, and how to attempt the test. It may be useful for you, but it is not required field because already you are see this test. Now come to the required field. Is must you write the name, because I am not a student of class 7th, but I am trying to attend this test. Father's name, typing this, but the instruction is you use only capital letter. Now the third is Vidyalaya name. I have already circulated one message. If you are not a student of class 7, then you choose other options. I am choosing other, because if I am choosing class KV Masarak option, then I mix with the 7th class student. Then for separating this, I am using other options. And as your formalities is a class and section options is required field, then I am choosing dummy 7th A and roll number. I don't have roll number, but I am entering some numbers like 50. Now starting to next page. Yes, you see on this test begin, all response should be capital and oblique block letters. I have already written in this first page, but next page also you see this one, because before starting any test you must read carefully all the instructions, then you start any test. Most of the student go with the wrong options, like typing in the option in small letters, but the test rule it accept as a wrong answer. So you can choose correct method and do according with the given instruction in the question paper. Now they are starting the test. First question is select right statement for electrical symbol. Here the 4 statements is written here in easy to represent a electrical component. Yes is correct. It make the circuit drawing easier and compact. Yes is this also correct. It makes switch on the supply. It is not correct. Complain to electric department. This is wrong. You see in my class about the electrical symbols, all the options is written in my lesson. I have sent you can say text material and video also. Then this first one is and second one is correct. Is 5 marks questions. Select the name of symbols. This symbol is used for switch, just like is already written in the figure SW. SW means the switch. But most of the students choose the socket answer. This is wrong. We are choosing switch. It's correct. Give the name of symbol. All of you see this one. You see with the any appliances, or you can say any wiring. This is earth. Earth. You may choose as a ground, but you choose only one options. We are writing earth, or you can say earthing also use, or you can say using ground. Ground is also correct. This next question, this picture represents, you see in my lesson in the text material, this is the inductor symbol and this is used for transformer. Here transformer, inductor, inductor and transformer. The fourth option is correct. Now the next one, the select correct option for the picture. This symbol is this is used for safety purpose and printed in the appliances packing box. Then this means is protect from water is wrong, protect from heat is wrong, handle with care. This is the correct option because this symbol is already show that you can see protect with both hands or something like something articles, protect with care, handle with care. Now next is for making an extension board under the best out of waste, select the used materials. This is already circulated in this group, is a one video, waste out of beds work experience electrical craft activity. In this section we are using one plastic bottle, but used flat plastic bottle is correct answer. This correct one is used flat plastic bottles. Next is switch is correct. LED tube light no, bulb no, wires yes correct, socket is correct. This 4 one is correct. Fuse I am not using this 4. Now the next question, if you have problem in your teeth, select the correct method for brushing the teeth. If you have problem in your teeth, the best method is after eating anything. You remember in the video of the maintenance of your personal hygienes, I have already discussed about this brushing, about this. The best practice is after breakfast and before the bed. But if you have a problem in the teeth, then the correct option is after eating anything. Now the next one is practice frequent hand wash, minimum 20 seconds with the soap. For all of you know, during the lockdown period and during this corona infection, this is related to protect with COVID-19. It's correct option. Write the name of the symbol. The symbol is fuse symbol. Fuse. If you go through with my lesson, you see this. Now the 10th question I am dividing in 2 parts. Response of the parent for monitoring parent hygiene, evaluated, checked and put the signature. I have already given in your, I think in 22nd April, I circulated one video and with the written material of the lesson plan for the maintaining personal hygiene. And in this video, I am already requested to your parents to monitor this activity yourself. Okay? If this response is your parent side, if is monitored, then you select yes, and here you upload the picture of this you can say page of your copy with putting your parent signature. But in this concern I have not do any practice like this, then I am choosing no options. Then this is a loss of my 5 marks, but no problem. Submit. After submitting, you see one new screen. You see your responses. You see your scores. Click on the scores. I got 45 marks out of 50. You check this answers again after the test. You see this first and second one is correct. Yes. This is the, you can say, statement for the electrical symbols. This symbol using for switch is correct. Here green one, ground is also correct. I am giving 4 options: grounding, ground, earth, earthing. All 4, if you written any one, then you got 5 marks here. Now this picture represents inductor and transformer is correct. Select this option for the picture. Correct option for the handle with care is also correct. For making extension board, I am choosing 4 options. Is also correct. Now next one is, if a problem with the teeth, this is also correct after eating anything. And 8th questions, practice for frequently hand wash. This is also correct. And then name of the symbol fuse. This is correct. I have given already 2 options, fuse wire, both are the correct. If you written only fuse is correct. Now the 10th question I have selecting no. Then I don't have any marks about this. Then total I got 45 marks. All of you see this one. And if you get 50 out of 50, congratulations. If you get something minimum with the 50, then I hope for the next test you will do best. Okay, thank you.